everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you click that red subscribe button down below to join my YouTube family. My celebrity videos are back. You guys seem to miss my celebrity beauty hacks, which if you haven't seen that whole series, I will link it down below for you. But I thought I would do more updated version of their just tips and tricks and products that different celebrities like. Thought I would start off with Kylie Jenner. Leave a comment down below your favorite celebrity and thumbs up the comment so I know who I should do next. All the products I share I will link in the description box, and these are all products and tips and tricks that Kylie Jenner either shared on her Snapchat, her social media, on interviews. If you want me to continue the series, thumbs it up and share it with your friends. But let's just jump into the video. Kylie Jenner has such flawless skin, and one of her skin secrets is to try and mask a few times per week. This one right here, the Sephora Collection Rose Face Mask, is one of her favorites that she likes to use, and it is just a sheet mask. It is amazing for all skin types, and it's just really moisturizing and brightening. So I just applied this onto my face and made sure that it was completely on, and all you have to do is let it sit for 15 minutes, and then you can remove the mask. And then once you remove the mask, you can just rub the excess into your skin so your skin really soaks it all up. But I absolutely love the mask. It was really refreshing and cooling on the skin, and it left my skin very moisturized. If Kylie does get a pimple, she's recommended the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion, and this really just helps to dry up your pimples overnight. It's a great spot treatment, so she just applies this by taking a Q-tip, dipping it into the bottle, and just applying it onto each spot. She'll let that just sit there overnight, and in the morning, she says that it really helps to clear up and dry up any blemish that she may have. Another one of her skin secrets is this Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate Face Oil. So this is an amazing product that she loves to use while she's traveling as well, and she always takes this whenever she goes on her private jets. She always puts a small portion of the product under her eyes, on her nose, her eyebrows, and as well as on her chin, and just rubs it in. She loves to do this because it really improves the look of dullness, lines, and rough texture, and it just really helps your skin feel energized and look radiant. And the facial oil is also really great because it's lightweight, so it's really just going to moisturize your skin. And when she's in the air traveling, your skin sometimes does get a little dry, so this is perfect, especially for those times. This next trick is a little hack that Kylie Jenner does and shared first on her Snapchat, and that is using men's aftershave for her moisturizer. In particular, she uses the Nivea Men's Sensitive Post Shave Balm instead of a moisturizer, and she says this is really great for oily skin, and it also allows your makeup to last all day and apply on evenly. When she mentioned this on her Snapchat, this product sold out in so many different countries, and it was so hard for people to find the product, and I was so happy I picked it up because I actually loved this trick. It's not only great for a moisturizer, but it has glycerin in it, and that acts as a glue for your makeup to stay on all day. Kylie has shared in order to find the perfect foundation, you may need more than one for the perfect skin. She actually shared at one point that she mixes the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation with Urban Decay's Naked Skin One and Done foundation. In order to get the perfect skin, she'll mix those two together and just apply it as normal all over her face, and she just finds that it just gives it more of a flawless look when you mix different foundations together. Another one of her makeup tricks has to do with her brows, and her brows are always on point, but one of her go-to things that she always needs to do when she applies her brow products on is she likes to conceal to define her brows even more. She will take an angle brush and line just under the brow with the concealer to really define them and shape them out more. So I just applied some concealer onto my angle brush and just applied it a thin layer right underneath, and it just really shapes out your brows a lot more. I read that she more liked to do it right under the brows, so it just kind of cleans everything up as well and just gives your brows more of that defined, clean look. Of course, I feel like the Jenners and Kardashians are just known for their contour and their bronzer, and that is one step that they can't live without in their makeup routine. So that is what I went ahead and did quickly, but something she really likes to do and cannot miss in her makeup routine as well is baking. And one of the tips that she shared is that she likes to get her makeup sponge a little extra wet to set her powder. So I just sprayed my makeup sponge with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I got it a little bit more wet, and then I just applied translucent powder underneath my eyes and right where my jawline is to really define the contour and set everything. And she really likes to do this trick because if you make your sponge a little wet before applying on your powder, it doesn't look as cakey. So I really actually enjoyed this tip, and I'm definitely gonna do it from now on. So once I let it sit for a bit to bake, I just took my brush and dusted it all off, and I really liked how it ended up turning out. Kylie is a huge fan of facial sprays, and she has been said to like the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, which is the one I'm sharing with you, but she always likes to just set her face after any makeup look with a facial spray. Mascara. So I feel like Kylie always has really perfect lashes, and she has a little trick for that. She likes to use two different kinds of mascaras. For her top lashes, one of the mascara that she has raved about is the Lancome's Hypnose mascara in black, and she will just apply that onto the top lashes. And this is a really great mascara. It not only lengthens your lashes, but it also provides volume to it as well. She really likes to define her top lashes a lot and make it a lot more dramatic, but when it comes to her bottom lashes, she actually likes to use a brown mascara, and she has been said to use the Benefit Cosmetics They Are Real Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara and Beyond Brown. So she likes to apply a brown mascara on her bottom lashes just because it gives it more of a subtle look, and she doesn't want it to be too harsh on the bottom. She finds that the brown gives it more of a softer look. So I just applied the black to the top lashes and brown onto my bottom lashes. Of course, Kylie Jenner is so known for her lips, and she really started her makeup line with her lip kits, but something she always likes to do is use a lip scrub to really take care of her lips. And I'm actually just sharing you this Sephora lip scrub. It's like a lip balm, but it's a 2-in-1. It has little beads in it. I love it. I definitely recommend it. But she always just likes to start off with a lip scrub to get rid of any dead skin cells before she goes in and applies her lip products, which I feel like is her favorite. So I thought, of course, I would go in with one of Kylie's liquid lipsticks. And I just used the color Angel, and I really like this color. It's kind of like a pinky color, pinky nude, and it's just kind of like those better than your lips color. And a little tip she likes to do is actually just pat it all in with her fingers, and it just gives it a more natural look to it. But I really love her liquid lipsticks. I think the formula is just so amazing. Her hair secret is the Way Treatment Mask, and she says that she loves this product to really help get her hair healthy and nourished. And I actually love the smell of Way hair products. It smells so good and it leaves your hair smelling amazing. But this is a really great treatment mask. You can apply it on dry or wet hair, and I just applied it to the ends of my hair. And you can either let it sit in overnight, or you can keep it in for a quick time and just do it for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also apply this right before a workout when you're going to start sweating, so it really sinks in. But this is one of her hair secrets when it comes to really helping to help damaged hair or nourish her hair if she needs a little pick-me-up. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. Thumbs it up if you want me to continue, and don't forget to comment down below which celebrity you want me to do next. Before you leave, click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every Thursday and Sunday, but I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!